to put it somewhere. I don't want people to see me with this.
Where did you find this beautiful little bird?
Up there.
In the tree?
Yep.
Right there.
You found a little friend?
Yes, I'm going to keep him. I don't want...
Where are you going to put him? Him or her? We don't know.
Him. I named him Hinza.
Hinza, very cute. What a little sweetheart. Did he fall from the tree or she?
He. I just found him on the ground right here.
Look, you can see the egg.
Oh.
He's scared.
You mean it? Oh, wow. See this little egg? He came out of this egg. He's a newbie.
Is this bad for my reputation of keeping a bird with me? It's so cute. I don't want the foxes to eat it. There's foxes around here. When I went to Maddie's house, I saw some foxes on the staircase over there.
Oh, wow.
They and I saw them, and we ran the other way. We were scared. Foxes.
That's an animal's food. They're going to search for that bird.
Foxes don't eat Hinza.
She had like a little table outside and a cage on it. On the patio. But
Okay, wait,
Dice
don't move.
That's okay.
Speaking of Dice, where is he?
In the house.
Oh.
What is she?
Mommy's looking for him.
When I was here, I saw her, and her feather was bleeding.
Bleeding? Oh.
I think she flew away because she couldn't watch him.
Oh.
I think she died. She got hurt from...
Another animal, maybe?
Foxes love birds, but don't worry, no one's gonna hurt you.
He thinks you're his mommy.
Say what?
Yeah.
And the bottom of his chest is beeping.
Oh, his little
Oh, you
heart
should
is
become
going
a bird-
pitter-pat.
Bird keeper.
Are you going to be a bird keeper?
Yes, but I'm not keeping that much birds. I just found
Did your
this-
mom let you?
I don't know. I just found this little guy on the ground. He's lonely.
He needs a friend.
Yes, it's okay. I'm too scared. If I find another bird, I'm giving it to you. I'm not.
Yeah.
I can't keep that much bird because if that one lays, if this one lays when it's bigger, if it lays an egg, you can have one and I'll have the other two. But you can't end up like that egg.
Oh,
I can't really use my bike because it's broken.
cute.
He's like, I just can't scare
Catching
him.
some sun, right?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna help.
Where you go?
Oh, if he poops, tell me to change the thing. Do you think I should watch him or just throw him down?
Find some worms.
That's not possible.
Yes. I saw this bird. It was here and it had a worm in its mouth.
He woke
Worm?
up.
Mommy's here. He's scared. See, he's trying to fly. He thinks you're trying to send us to other
Well, you can
creatures.
also run to the lake and put him on the grass.
No, people fish at the lake.
Oh,
If-
yeah, you're right.
If they, that means he was born
When did you find him?
today. When I just came outside.
Did you see him come out of the egg?
No. Just
That's
found him
way
on
bigger
the.
than the egg.
I found him on the floor. How much pictures are you taking on him?
He's a celebrity.
Yeah, I am. Take a picture of his wing.
Ooh.